explore 3 different types of mechanical drives and their unique traits. A chain drive transmits mechanical power through a series of interlinked chains and sprockets. Its unique trait is the ability to efficiently transfer power over distances with minimal slippage and high torque. A gear drive transmits power between shafts using meshing gears, converting rotational motion and torque. Its unique trait is the ability to provide precise speed ratios and high torque transmission in compact spaces. A belt drive transfers power between pulleys using a flexible belt, typically made of rubber or fabric. Unique trait is its ability to absorb the shock loads and reduce system vibrations, making it ideal for applications requiring smooth operation and flexibility in alignment.